So we got a really nice multivan. And let me show you what the problem is here. It's got only 92,000 kilometers. It's a 2020. Really nice car. But let me show you something. Everything starts, everything looks great. Doors lock, and then suddenly, isn't that amazing? Look at that. All kinds of fault codes come and go. Isn't that cool? Well, let's figure out what's going on here. So the next thing we did, guys, is we pulled out the fault codes. Many fault codes. Yep. The one you should be concentrating on is this one, U014000, lost communication with the body control module. Because if the car loses the communication, it throws out all these fault codes. Everything goes nuts. You get the Christmas tree, eventually no start situation. And I'll show you what we did. Go back to the van. We found this fuse over here. Was good. It's up there on upper left, I believe, right next to the relay. We took it out, put it back in, wiggled it, driven 200 kilometers since doing that, and everything is tip top. Okay, guys, this is an easy, free fix. You might be stuck somewhere on the highway on your holidays. See if this helps you. Good luck, guys. Ciao.